Welcome to your favorite channel, Easychess. So today we will cover a very important topic, the board. So let's get into it. The first thing to learn is how many squares are on this board. So there are 64 squares on the chessboard. 32 are dark squares and 32 are light squares. Dark squares can be colors like black, blue, and brown. Light squares are usually white. Next, we have to learn about files. Files are vertical lines on the board. They will alternate color. So I put some pawns on a file and see they alternate color. So if the bottom square is dark, the next one will be light, and vice versa. Files are named in letters. The most left from the white side is file A. The next one is B, and so on, ending at H. These names have to be lowercase. Now, let's talk about ranks. They are horizontal lines, and they will alternate colors like the files. So see, this one's black, then the next one's white. Ranks are named by numbers. The closest one to white is 1, then 2, and so on, ending with 8, which is the one closest to black. So let's learn about coordinates. To name a coordinate, we say its file, and then its rank. So if I want to find the coordinate of this pawn, I say its file, which is C, and its rank, 5. So its coordinate is C5. Each square has a coordinate. Examples of coordinates are A1, C3, and F5. A1 would be file A and rank 1. C3 is file C and rank 3. And F5 is file F, rank 5. Diagonals are, you guessed it, diagonal lines. Unlike ranks and files, diagonals aren't used to make coordinates. Instead, coordinates are used to make diagonals. A dark diagonal is A1 to H8, while a light diagonal is A8 to H1. We use the start point and end point to name diagonals. The points are connected by a dash. So, in summary, the board has 32 light squares and 32 dark squares, with 64 in total. Files are vertical lines, named with letters. Ranks are horizontal lines, named with numbers. A coordinate is the name of a square. Diagonals are diagonal lines, named by coordinates. Be sure to like this video and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Bye!